So welcome back to another video. As I mentioned earlier, one of the projects I had is this little let's call it fake Tendo from Aliexpress. This was a byproduct of one of my Aliexpress orders. This item cost me 8 point something USD. I do not know the actual price. I will put it up on the screen, but it will depend on your region and your country's trade relations with China. So I saw it for 2 USD also, but I don't know about your area, so let's check what you get for this amount of money. You get the standard D-pad. By the way, the console is very small compared to my hand. So it comes with a standard D-pad, X, Y, A, B, select start and the reset button. Very simple, very easy. A TV output, which they give a cable, which is like 10 centimeters long, a USB charger, and the on and off switch. On the side there is only one button, which is the volume. You can check the volume with this or set the volume with this. And I thought this is powered with a regular battery, but no, after I took it apart I saw this is being powered by a BL5C battery, which older people remember. These used to be the batteries for the old Nokia phones, so I guess they had a lot of them on stock and they decided to build with this one. So it should last for not forever, but quite a long time. So let's turn it on and let's check what's inside. So as switching on, it prompts you to choose a language between Chinese and English. Obviously, we're gonna choose the English. We're gonna go inside. As you can see, it's already advertising 500 games in one. So let's go just couple of them. So the Angry Bird is a Angry Birds ripoff, obviously, but Contra, for example, is the original game. So I'm gonna launch a quick one on here. Please do keep in mind I'm not good at these games. Okay, so standard Contra map, jump up and down, fire, kill enemies. It's not an easy game. It has the voice or the sound. I will turn it down because of I'm not sure if it's not copyrighted or not. So okay, let's use the reset button to see how quick it is. Okay, so simple, and it's already back in the main menu. Let's select another game quickly. So I don't know these contrasts, so I believe it's also the original games, but it also has Super Mario Brothers and Super Mario Brothers 3. Okay, wrong button. So let's go Super Mario Brothers 1. Okay, didn't happen. So this is supposed to be Super Mario Brothers 3. So let's jump into the game. Boom. This is obviously a ripped off version. Oh, why you go in the other direction? Oopsie. Well, I'm not that good in Mario, so I believe this is supposed to be something, but never mind. Okay. Okay, let's go select one more game. I don't know. Mortal Kombat 4. Let's check Mortal Kombat. So I do not know I don't remember all the characters. Let's select the lady. The lady. So it's actually a pretty good knockoff. It has some decent graphics. I don't even know the controls. I think I'm gonna lose. How do you jump? Oh, okay. I'm gonna finish you, Mr. Nightwolf. Boom. Okay, that did not happen. Mr. Nightwolf. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Nobody saw. Okay, I lost, whatever. So, this is the fake Tendo, I would call it. I will leave a link in the description below where you can buy it, and I will also leave a megabonus extension link in the description below. If you want to get cashback from Aliexpress, you can also use. Thank you so much for watching, and I will put up one video here, and please watch that also. Thank you so much. Bye bye.